If Canva feels overwhelming, this video might completely change that. Because Canva just added AI tools that can create stunning visuals and videos in minutes, even if you have zero design experience. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create stunning visuals in minutes without wasting time clicking random buttons. Okay, so today I'm in Canva and I've opened a YouTube thumbnail page. What I'm going to do is come right up here to the top and search for a red Mini Cooper. And let's see what it gives me. I don't really like any of those, so I think I'll make one myself. I'll click right here. These are the things that I can make. So I'll click Generate and choose to make a graphic. Click on Generate. Okay, and now it's made these for me. They are all good and much more like what I had in mind. You can choose one if you want to, but what I'm going to click on each to add it to my page until I make up my mind exactly which one I want to use. This way I have access to all of them, because as soon as you click off of this, you'll lose all the images there. There. I'm also going to erase this little eyeball thing here. Let me shrink these down real quick. I think I'm just gonna go with this one right here. I'll add another page, then come back here and choose one of these. Now it's actually making it for me, so I'll give it a few seconds. Now I'm going to make another thing. Watch this. I'll come over here to edit and click on that. If you look over here in the tools section, you'll see what is available. Some are paid tools, some are free. The one I'm going to choose right now is Image to Video. This tool converts images into short videos. You can choose to have it generate a video for you automatically, or you can give it custom options with very specific prompts. For now, I'm just going to use the Smart option. Let's click here and see what we get. Wow, that is so cool. So I came here with a basic idea, didn't find anything I liked then in Canva, then asked Canva to generate some new options for me, which it did amazingly well. Then I took one of those images and turned it into a mini movie, all in under 2 minutes. Amazing. Now it's your time to try and see what you can make using Canva's amazing AI tools.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.